Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today's class, question number 6. Here, find all points of discontinuity of f where f is defined by function. F is nothing but my function. F of x is equal to 2x plus 3 if x less than or equal to 2. Okay. Here 2x minus 3 if x greater than 2. Okay. Here 0, 1, 2. Okay. Here less than or equal to 2. Here 2x plus 3. Here it is my function. Okay. Therefore greater than 2. Greater than 2 का मतलब here 3, 4 up to plus infinity. Here my function 2x minus 3. Okay. Here given f of x, here f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 if x less than or equal to 2. Okay. 2x minus 3 if x greater than 2. Okay. Here clearly mention find all points of discontinuity. Okay. Therefore here you should find the function is whether it is continuous or not continuous. Okay. Discontinuous. Okay. Therefore here you have to take cases. Okay. Here x less than 2. Here it is a case. Okay. Case number 1. Next case number 2, x is exactly 2. Okay. Therefore third case, x greater than 2. Okay. Solution. Case 1, here at x less than 2. Here less than 2. Okay. Therefore I am taking let k be any real numbers. Okay. Less than 2, here 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2 up to minus infinity. Here it is x less than 2. Therefore I am taking let k be any real numbers. Okay. Now limit x tends to k, f of x is equal to limit x tends to k. Here my f of x, here it is nothing but 2x plus 3. Therefore 2x plus 3. I am substituting x equal to k here. Therefore I am removing limit. Okay. Therefore 2k plus 3. Okay. It is general form. Here again f of k, in the place of x you should substitute k. Therefore 2k plus 3. Here also it is both are equal. Therefore finally limit x tends to k, f of x is equal to f of k equal to 2k plus 3. Therefore here it is the given function is continuous at x less than 2. Okay. Next case 2, here at x is equal to 2. Okay. At point. Therefore here you have to check left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of a. Okay. I am taking left hand limit. Left hand limit is nothing but limit x tends to 2 minus here. Okay. Left hand limit f of x, here limit x tends to 2 minus, here 2 minus का मतलब here you should take less than value. Okay, 2 less than 2. Okay, here less than 2 is nothing but 2x plus 3. Therefore 2x plus 3. I am substituting the limit in the x. 2 into 2 plus 3. Therefore 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Okay, here it is my left hand limit. Next you should check right hand limit. Okay, for checking right hand limit is nothing but limit x tends to 2 plus, okay, f of x. Here 2 plus means here the value should be greater than 2. Here greater than 2 का मतलब here 2x minus 3. Here it is my function. Therefore limit x tends to 2 plus, here f of x is nothing but 2x minus 3. I am substituting the value of x. X is equal to a. Therefore here a is 2. Okay, therefore 2 into 2 minus 3. Therefore 2 2s are 4, minus 3 is equal to 1. Here limit x tends to 2 minus, okay, left hand limit of x is equal to, not equal to, limit x tends to 2 plus, right hand limit. Okay, because left hand limit here I get 7, in right hand limit here 1. Therefore it is not equal. Therefore here it is discontinuous. Discontinuous at x equal to 2. Okay, next case 3. Here in case 3 at x greater than 2. Okay, greater than का 2 मतलब here you should take 2 greater than 2. Okay, 3 4 up to plus infinity. Therefore here it's my function is 2x minus 3. Okay, I am taking limit x tends to 2. Okay, but here greater than 2. Therefore first you should tell let k be any real number. Okay, therefore here it is my x tends to k, f of x. Here limit x tends to k, in the place of f of x here 2x minus 3. Therefore I am applying limit, in the place of x you should substitute k. Therefore 2k minus 3. Next f of a is nothing but here k. Therefore in the place of x you should substitute k, 2k minus 3. Therefore here it is equal. General form here it is satisfying. Therefore it is continuous at x greater than 2. Okay, here at point x is equal to 2, at the place of at point you should substitute left hand limit, right hand limit equal to f of a. It is satisfying, then it is continuous. Here left hand limit and right hand limit is not equal. Therefore here it is discontinuous. Okay, here in the general x greater than 2 का मतलब here we can take 3 4 5 up to plus infinity. Therefore at exact point we don't know. Okay, therefore like this exact point we don't know. Therefore here you should take let k be any real numbers. Okay, k you have to substitute means here no need for left hand limit and right hand limit. Okay, you substitute in general form, limit x tends to k, f of x is equal to f of k. the same value it came, then it is continuous at x greater than 2. I hope you all understood the question number 6. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Dhanyavad.